Flags bring strangers together to support a cause or a nation. For many centuries, a flag fluttering above the fighting was a visible communication signal. Flags eventually became patriotic symbols away from the battlefield. And today, there is one for every country and almost every cause. Flags bring strangers together to support a cause or a nation. Rippling in the breeze, flags have a kinetic energy that draws people to them. At this factory, they make flags from special polyester. It's extra strong, but it's also translucent to make the design visible from both sides. A machine unwinds the fabric over rollers that pull it straight and tight. It then enters a digital printer. The first printing head lays down the image, and a second one deepens it. Printing in 2 steps keeps the dies from running. The employee transfers the printed fabric to the next machine. He loops it through guide rollers and secures the end. The flag material travels over a large cylinder that's heated to 419 degrees. This bakes or fixates the die into the fabric. At the wash line, a worker aligns the flag with a sheet of leader fabric and trims the end. A sewing machine stitches the fabrics together in a chain lock configuration. This seam is tough enough to withstand a series of wash cycles. The first wash removes any excess dye that wasn't fixated on the fabric. They add special chemicals to this wash because ordinary soap isn't strong enough. The second bath contains chemicals that neutralize the cleaning substances. Finally, the fabric travels through a rinse station to remove the residual chemicals. Pressurized rollers wring out the water. The damp fabric travels over steamed heated cylinders that dry and iron the fabric. The flag material winds around rollers before reaching the cutting table. The worker first cuts out the color code printed on the side of the fabric. She uses a spectrometer to confirm that the colors are correct and haven't faded during the wash. Then she cuts out the flags using a pair of industrial scissors. The polyester material is strong and doesn't unravel or fray during the cutting. The next worker stitches a sleeve onto the fabric for the banner hardware. She also hems the other 3 sides. At another station, a machine installs a grommet on the front and a washer on the back to make an eyelet. An employee inserts a fiberglass rod in the sleeve and threads a bungee cord through the eyelet. He inspects the fit and confirms that the flag will withstand strong winds. From conception to completion, it takes about 3 days to manufacture flags. Then, the sky's the limit.